You know the only time I ever lost money on Apple? The only time. Wait, can you imagine losing money on Apple stock investing in the last 20 years? At any point in time, from 1997, there's not a single way, John, you could have lost money betting on Apple stock as a hodler in 22 years, except I did it. I'm going to tell you how I did it. I bought an option. I bought a leap. I actually bought a call option, but not short, long. I went long Apple stock. I bought call. By the way, I'm not going to go long Apple stock with a 30 or 60 or 90-day option. I bought an 18-month leap option on Apple stock. The stock traded down. It stayed down 17 months, 18 months. My option expired. I lost the premium and the stock shot up. And I'm saying, I freaking predicted the future. I wanted some leverage. I'm so angry. And the takeaway from that is, if you believe in something and you have conviction, buy the underlying assets, ideally with very low leverage or no leverage, and hold it forever.
So you can take something away from that. Don't get too risky out there. You know, things can go certain ways. It can pull against you. When it's going up, things are going good. But when it pulls back and you got leverage, you can get burnt. With that, what's happening, Crypto Crew? Sean's coming back at you, another cryptocurrency video.
Hey guys, sorry for the quick interruption, but if you're interested in trading MicroStrategy options, any other stock out there, Bitcoin, Solana, or any other crypto out there, you can now do that on MooMoo. And if you sign up with our affiliate link, which we pin in the comment section, also in the description below, when you sign up and deposit any amount, you're going to receive up to 20 free stocks, and each one of these stocks could be valued at up to $2,000. So make sure to sign up with MooMoo. Go get that free money. Now let's go ahead and get back to the video.
And to piggyback on that, you guys want some free stuff? Once again, 15 free stocks, each valued up to $2,000. Use this link right here. At the current time of this recording, Bitcoin's over 101. So we'll see what price action we get over this weekend. Will we see Bitcoin come up to this upper bound and put a new high in around 106 to 107? And will we break out of this channel? Will we see a breakout? And this looks like some type of bull flags on the 3-day. The technical target's up to 130 to 180. Let's see when Bitcoin decides to blast off. MicroStrategy is what all the talk of the town is about. QQQ inclusion. Look here, after hours, MicroStrategy had a blast up over $400. And look here, this looks like some type of bull pennant pattern. If you just draw the line, let's just zoom into the price action. If you just draw your lines, and let's get rid of this. This looks pretty textbook. If you look here, this looks like this is getting ready to rip to the upside. Let's draw our bottom line. So look here, this looks like a textbook bull pennant pattern. And it came all the way up to that 550. And actually, it looks like it may have broke out of this and had a retest. This is on the 3-day. So where is this target going to take us up to? If we pull this from where the breakout point was here, could this take us up to a price target of $1,800? That's over 4x from where we are right now. Is that what's going to happen? Could the next few months be extremely bullish for MicroStrategy? Right here, Chris Millis is weighing in. He's saying that MicroStrategy is currently undervalued by a factor of 4x based on his model. It should be trading around 1,500. So could we see an explode up, back up to this 1,500 range? You be the judge. Right now, MicroStrategy is potentially about to make history. Add to the NASDAQ 100. The announcement could be coming soon. Polymarket odds at 85% for MicroStrategy hitting NASDAQ, up from 76%. Is this the move we've been waiting for? And Michael Saylor's weighing in, supports growing fast for strategic Bitcoin reserve. If this comes, you're going to see Bitcoin blast off to the upside 200K is conservative. But what he's talking about here, Senator Cynthia Lummis posted this. Scott Bessent will be a champion for digital assets and a crucial ally in passing my strategic Bitcoin reserve. I look forward to working closely with the future Treasury Secretary to restore financial responsibility. Look here, you see Senator Cynthia Lummis. She's trying to make major moves in the crypto space. Will this get approved, and when will this happen? Right, in major news, President Javier Milei, this is from the president from Argentina, plans to allow Bitcoin payments in 2025. So that's another nation state that is talking about making Bitcoin legal tender. The adoption continues. And right here, a prediction, $5 billion asset manager Bitwise predicts Bitcoin will overtake the $18 trillion gold market and be worth $1 million by 2029. That's crazy. It says by 2029. So we're almost in 2025. So you got 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028. That's 4 years from where we are right now, give or take a few weeks. Hope you're prepared. TA Trader Allen is showing these bases. Is this what's about to happen? Are we about to just lull out over the next few months before we see that next leg up? Are we going to see another lull out before? Are we going to lull out before we get each leg up? You be the judge. But Gert Van Leggen has another idea. Says we're in this channel right here before we blast off, and this is what Bitcoin's doing right now. Consolidating to the upside before that next leg up. Be prepared. And we have an update from Samson Mao. He's weighing in on the failure of fiat currency and how quickly we could get to that $1 million price target. Let's hear from Samson.
If you look at the failure of fiat currencies, they don't gradually fail. They fail spectacularly. And this is the premise behind the 1 million Bitcoin call, that it's not going to be a gradual, slow increase to $1 million a coin, but rather a very short and violent upheaval that sends us there in a matter of months, weeks to months. And if you look at the hyper-Bitcoinization landscape, what you do see is more and more countries coming out and mining Bitcoin. Bhutan, I think, is the clearest example of this. They have close to $1 trillion now in Bitcoin holdings from mining over the past 4 to 5 years. So if this is not an indication that hyper-Bitcoinization is coming, I'm not really sure what is. But countries that have excess energy, they can tap into that now and convert that into money and use that money for financing lots of different things. I believe we're also on the verge of countries issuing debt, sovereign debt, to buy Bitcoin. So the Bitcoin bond program, it is going to come simply because the MicroStrategy model has illustrated that this works, and it works very well. And it's just simply a matter of time before a country pulls that trigger and unleashes a torrent of sovereign debt to acquire Bitcoin.